A scorched iron is a nightmare, but I have a brilliant solution. Your iron will look like new. It will remove limescale, residue, and even significant scorch marks. First, take a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Toothpaste is an excellent polishing agent for many appliances. Next, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Pour a shot of vinegar into the bowl. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly until you get a thick paste. Now, turn on the iron and wait until it gets hot. Once it's heated, take a regular small sponge and dip it into the mixture. Use the rough side of the sponge to clean the iron. After a few strokes, the iron will start to shine like new. Look how well it presses fabrics now. Your iron will glide smoothly over clothes, making ironing faster and easier. This simple trick can save your iron, extend its lifespan, and keep it in perfect working condition. You won't need to buy a new one, so you'll save a lot of money. Does your iron look like this? Never do that. It can permanently damage the iron's surface. Instead, let me show you a simple home method that will make your iron look like new. The soleplate often collects burnt fabric, water deposits, and detergent residues, creating stubborn grime. Just apply some toothpaste to the burnt surface, preferably whitening toothpaste, which acts as a gentle cleaner. Spread it over the entire soleplate. Then sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda on top. This natural abrasive, combined with the toothpaste, forms a powerful cleaning paste. Now gently scrub. Just a few strokes, and the burnt marks will start to disappear. For older stains, repeat the process or leave the paste on for a few minutes. Once clean, wipe the soleplate with a damp sponge to remove any residue. This simple trick can save your iron. No need to buy a new one. And you'll save quite a bit of money too. Aspirin makes your iron look brand new, shiny, and sparkling. But it wasn't always like that. A burnt iron is a nightmare, but I have a genius solution. Take 2 aspirin tablets and dissolve them in a bowl of water. Stir until the aspirin completely dissolves. Now, take a microfiber cloth and soak it in the solution. When the iron is still warm, but not hot, scrub the entire bottom of the iron with the dissolved aspirin, paying special attention to the most burnt spots. See how dirty the cloth gets? That's proof that aspirin works wonders. After a few scrubs, your iron will start to shine like new. Then, take a clear lip balm and gently rub it on the iron surface. Use a piece of paper towel to polish the iron until it's dry. This simple trick can save your iron, and you won't have to buy a new one, saving you a lot of money. Your iron will look like new. The scale and residue will be gone, and you'll never see yellow stains while ironing again. Here's a perfect solution for you. These stains come from scale buildup in the iron. No need to throw away your iron. Mix 2 teaspoons of baking soda in a bowl, then pour it into the water hole of the iron. Cut a lemon in half and squeeze all the juice into the iron. You'll see some fizz. Wipe the iron with a paper towel. Next, pour a bit of vinegar into the iron. The vinegar and lemon will dissolve and remove the scale. This mixture will flow out of the iron, which is good as it cleans all the steam channels. Fill the iron with water, let it sit for a while, then pour out the contents. Rinse thoroughly and wipe the bottom of the iron. Test the first ironing on a towel as some scale might still come out. Look how well it irons white fabrics now. No more yellow stains. Here's the secret to a clean mattress. Stains and dirt disappear immediately, and dust mites, mold, and fungi are eliminated. Mattress companies don't want you to know about this. With this simple trick, your mattress will last for years. You'll need a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. Baking soda will be responsible for eliminating germs and bacteria. Next, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Grab some fabric softener and add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. Mix everything well. Finally, add water and mix it again. Dip a clean towel or cloth into the mixture. Wring out any excess liquid so the towel is damp but not soaked. Lay the towel on the mattress. Place an iron wrapped in the towel on top of the mixture. Iron the mattress with the towel-covered iron. There's no need to dry the mattress in the sun. Ironing the mixture will dry it instantly. Now your mattress is clean, dry, fresh, and free from bacteria. This is the ultimate secret to a spotless couch. All stains and dirt vanish instantly. Furniture and cleaning product manufacturers would rather keep this trick hidden. Start by preparing a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It effectively eliminates bacteria and germs. Then add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Toothpaste not only whitens, but also cleans deeply, thanks to its mild abrasives and fluoride content that help remove stubborn stains. The next ingredient is fabric softener. Add 2 tablespoons. It not only gives the fabric a pleasant scent, but also softens the material and refreshes its texture, making your couch look like new. Finally, pour in some water and mix everything well until it forms a smooth solution. Soak a clean towel or cloth in the mixture, then wring it out well. It should be just slightly damp, not dripping wet. Place the cloth over the stained area of the couch and set an iron in the center. Wrap the cloth securely around the iron and gently press the surface. You won't need to dry anything. The heat from the iron dries the fabric as it cleans. Now, your couch is clean, dry, fresh, and free of bacteria. Lay it on the carpet and iron it. Mysterious stains of unknown origin will disappear. Cream-colored carpets with light patterns get dirty very easily. Stains appear on them from who knows where. I was already frustrated with these stubborn stains until I discovered this clever little trick that worked like magic. Mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts warm water. After thoroughly mixing the solution, soak a cloth in it. Then place the wet cloth on the stain on the carpet. Turn on the iron and run it over the cloth for a few seconds. The iron shouldn't be too hot so as not to melt the carpet fibers. The vinegar solution dissolves the stain, and the heat from the iron helps lift the stain from the carpet fibers. This method turned out to be surprisingly effective on stains that I didn't know where they came from, and much easier than other techniques I tried. The stains that plagued my carpet disappeared. The carpet is finally clean. If you're dealing with mysterious stains and nothing seems to work, I highly recommend trying this simple and effective method. It's a great solution using things you probably already have at home. This is the biggest secret of a clean sofa. All stains and dirt disappear from any sofa or armchair instantly. Dust mites, molds, and fungi die. Companies that manufacture sofas and sell special cleaning products don't want you to know this. For this trick, we will need a large bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda to it. It will be responsible for removing germs and bacteria. Then add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. If possible, use a white one. Another ingredient is fabric softener. Add 2 tablespoons to the bowl. At the very end, add water. Mix everything thoroughly so that the ingredients combine. Take a clean towel or cloth and dip it in the mixture. Remove the excess by wringing it out. We need the towel to be moistened, not drenched. Once you've done this, place the cloth on the couch like this. Without worrying, place the iron in the middle of it. Wrap it exactly as I did with the cloth. Iron the couch with the iron wrapped in the towel. You won't have to dry anything. Ironing the mixture will dry it immediately. Now your couch is clean, dry, fresh, and free of bacteria.